let's go ahead. This feature is only on the rear doors, not on the front doors. First, let's get started with the left side door. Open the door, and right over there is the switch. You gotta push it inwards. There's even an arrow inwards, right? It's activated. I can still open the door from outside. However, when I go inside and close the door, let's see what happens. Now, no matter what I do, I should not be able to open the door from inside here. And I cannot. But what I'm going to do is I'm just going to slide over here and open the right side door because we did not activate the feature here. Open up the left side door from outside. Push the switch outwards to the left to deactivate the feature. And now we should be able to open the door from outside as well as from the inside. Let's try this out. Locked, cannot open, unlocked. I should be able to open. Now let's repeat this process for the right side door. Open the door, and again there's a switch right over there. You gotta push it left, push it inwards to activate over here. Small difference, you gotta push it left as opposed to right on the other side door. I can still open from outside, and when I get inside, I should not be able to open the door because the child door lock feature has been activated, and I cannot open the door. That is good. However, guess what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna slide over there and open that door and get out from there. So if you've got a child in the back seat, make sure you activate this feature on both the doors individually so the child doesn't accidentally slide and open the other door and get out. For now, let's just open up this door, open the right side door, push it right outwards to deactivate the feature. I can open from outside, and now when I go inside, I can still open the door, and that is good. Hope you found it useful.